Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Android version and free storage. Aim for about 200 MB free to prevent install errors. Once done, unlock your phone, open Google Play Store, and tap your profile icon in the top right. Now search for WhatsApp or directly open My Apps and Games and switch to Updates. This gets you to WhatsApp's app page fast, so you can see if an update is available and why the update matters, security, new features, or bug fixes. Tap Update to begin. You'll see download progress and then installation. Use Wi-Fi for larger updates to avoid mobile data charges and to reduce corruption risk. Make sure you let the download finish before opening the app. Interrupted installs cause errors. If the Play Store asks for permissions, accept those that match the feature changes or decline and read why they're needed. Once installed, Play Store will show open, but don't open immediately if the device suggests finishing system updates first. After installation, open WhatsApp and verify the new version via settings right arrow help right arrow app info to confirm changes took effect. If the update failed, make sure your Play Store is current. Clear its cache and storage, then retry or reboot the phone to resolve temporary faults. If problems persist, restore from a backup and reinstall WhatsApp or uninstall Play Store updates as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: always backup chats before reinstalling so you don't lose messages or media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.